little boy. What are you doing inside that box? What you doing in there? It's your little clubhouse. You like it in there, Mama? It's really funny. I'm recording Jidge with the alrighty then in the background. Chicken, what are you doing in there?
You have me saying the Chinese.
Chicken, what are you doing? That's your little clubhouse? He loves this box. I'm going to save it for him.